Good day, sir. My name is John Pulsilo, and I am the last reporter of Group 4. And my report is the program for professional development and succession planning. As you can see, sa triangle na siya 4 ways to check if training program is effective. First is reaction. How did participants react to the training? So this check kung okay ba ang experience nila, enjoyable ba, useful ba, ug sulit ba ang ilang training. So next is learning. To what extent did participants improve knowledge and skills? So this check is if participants actually gain new knowledge or skills. So third is behavior. Did behavior change as a result of training? If ila bang gigamit kung unsa lang to na knowledge sa real work. Then last is result. What benefit does the organization receive? For example, pagtaas ang sales, mas dali ang trabaho. Tapos mas gamay ra ang mga error. So this part explain why companies give training. So para matabangan ang employees na mag-grow sa career nila. Para makatuon sila og new skill, para pud mahimo silang ready for higher position in the future or succession planning. So tungod kay daghan older worker ang mag-retire, kailangan sa companies na i-train ang younger employees to take those roles. Managers might examine the following element to aid in the development of this sort of program. Number 1 is talk to employees. Managers should ask employees about their goals and what they want to achieve para kabalo ang manager kung unsa na klase nga training or support ang bagay sa ila. Second, create specific requirements for career development. Manager must explain exactly what employees need to do to get promoted, like gaining experience, finishing trainings, or learning new skills. Third is use cross. Employees should be allowed to try different job or tasks. Makatabang ni sa ila to learn more skills and prepare them for higher position. Then last, utilize mentors. Mentors help employees understand what they need to improve and how to advance in their career. A mentorship program gives guidance and support.